is Olivia Mchena. I'm the Minister of Women Affairs, Gender and Community Development in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is highly committed to KAMA through our health system. We have mobilized nationally to say that childbirth is national service. So no woman should be allowed to die while giving childbirth. It therefore means the government should do all it can to prevent, to reduce, to eliminate maternal mortality. We have mobilized the communities. It was a big cry in our constitution making process, and we have actually incorporated that provision in our constitution. So Zimbabwe urges the whole of Africa to fight against maternal mortality.